Hi and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm looking at my blueberry plant. I just thought it might be quite handy to go over with you what not to prune off. This time of year, January, February, is an ideal time of year when the plant is like in a dormancy stage to prune back your blueberry bush, but as you can see mine isn't that big, comes up to about here, so I'm not going to be pruning that. But if you are pruning your blueberry bush, be mindful not to take the buds on the ends of the branches off, because these will turn into your blueberries. So we've got them there. They should be all over. These smaller ones coming out of the sides, which you can see all the way up this branch, these are going to be the leaf branches this year, so they will bring energy to your blueberry plant. But next year they will have blueberries on them, or they will have the buds which have the potential to have blueberries on them. So just be really mindful before you go pruning what to take off, because you may be taking off a lot of your crop. And as you can see here, I've just mulched it with straw. This is normal straw, and it just helps to keep the acidity in the soil over winter so that the rain doesn't wash it all away. And I will top it up with some ericaceous soil in about a month and a half's time. The best mulch to use for your blueberries is something called Strolch. It's a pine straw, and it makes the soil really acidic, but it is quite pricey. I'll put a link to it in the description if that's what you want to get, but this cost me £1.50 and it does quite a good job for me. My blueberry plant is very small. I have another one there which is also quite small. But yeah, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you next time on the Lunch Break Gardener.